Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set reminder in Android. If you are using any Android phone and now you want to set reminders, let's see how can you do this. You just have to look for calendar app in your phone and then open your calendar app, and here just select the plus icon, and here you just have to enter the title for your reminder, as I'm going to enter, for example, front birthday here. Just enter that, and then here you just have to select the time and date. Here select the time, as I have going to select 1 a.m. Just select the time and then select the date from here, just like that, and then enable it for all day. And here you can easily select location. If you want, just open the map, and here you can easily select the location, then select done. And here you can add family if you want. Here's a video conference and default visibility. So after doing the setup, you must have to tab on save to save that, and it will show on your calendar just like that. It is mentioned with his friend birthday. You can easily add reminders in this way. So that's how you can easily set your own reminder in Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.